Hello everyone, I'm Dr. Kevin McCahill, Superintendent of Schools here in Nanuet. We know this school year will look very different due to COVID-19, but our administrators have been working hard to make certain that our students continue to be engaged and supported. This video will provide you with an overview of how our schools will operate and how we plan to keep students, staff, and families safe and healthy based on guidance from the New York State Education Department as well as state and local health officials. Before coming to school each day, families must ensure that all students are checked for COVID-19 symptoms. If you have any symptoms or are feeling unwell, you must stay home. Students who require screening to be completed at school will be treated in a confidential manner. Whether students arrive by bus, car, or by walking, they must use designated entrances identified by each school. To minimize risk, parents and caregivers will not be allowed in the schoolyard or in school buildings without an appointment. If a student becomes ill during the day, the nurse will lead them to a designated isolation area for assessment. Personal protective equipment is essential in preventing the spread of COVID-19 virus. The CDC and the New York State Department of Health recommend that students wear a cloth mask. Make sure that both your nose and mouth are properly covered. Secure the mask under your chin, handle only by the ear loops or ties, and never touch the mask exterior. Receptacles will be placed in each of our schools to dispose of soiled items, including PPE. Students will not be required to wear masks while eating or during mask breaks, as long as they are practicing appropriate social distancing. Your child may be eligible for a medical exemption from wearing a mask during the school day. Nurse Coordinator, Ms. Maura Hannigan, has additional details.
Thank you, Dr. McCahill. On behalf of the Nanuet School District nursing staff, I hope all of our Golden Knights are staying safe and healthy. If you feel that your child may be eligible for a medical exemption, please provide a doctor's note stating the specific reason and submit it to the school nurse. If it is determined that a student cannot wear a mask, the district will expect them to use a protective face shield instead. Please refer to the Nanuet School District website for more specific details regarding exemptions for face coverings. We look forward to welcoming you back. Stay safe.
Thanks, Maura. Just remember, face coverings do not replace the need for social distancing. This school year, the Nanuet School District is reducing the number of students physically entering the buildings by 50%. Classrooms will be reconfigured to ensure that social distancing requirements are met. Desks will be arranged in a manner that minimizes face-to-face contact. Appropriate signage will be placed throughout the district to direct traffic in the hallways and remind students of key health and safety protocols, including face coverings, social distancing, and thorough hand washing. Regular hand washing is one of the best ways to stay healthy. Students will be encouraged to wash hands after arriving at school and frequently throughout the day. Be sure to lather the backs of your hands, between your fingers, and under your nails. Scrub for at least the recommended 20 seconds. We value our continued partnership and collaboration. Families can help reinforce these positive practices at home and help prepare our students for the return to school. Here's how. Practice wearing masks for an extended period of time. Wash and completely dry cloth masks after every use. Label your child's mask and resealable plastic bag to store it in. Practice proper and frequent hand washing, especially with elementary level students. Things will certainly look different this school year, but working together, we can make certain our children continue to move forward academically, socially, and emotionally. Remember, we're all in this Nanuet together. Go Golden Knights!